Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Well, see, it already broke down below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level I indicated to you. So it certainly cannot be an impulse anymore to the upside. It could still become a diagonal, but that is very, very unreliable. So it's time to take a step back and wait until the market gets a little settled. But I can tell you that this looks as if it wants to break down. And I can also tell you that it certainly retraced more than it should have. And it retraced basically the entire breakout already, okay? This is, as I explained to you already in the Bitcoin video and over the last few days, it is exactly the reason why we're always looking for a 5-wave move up to occur to confirm that a lasting low has been established. Here, for example, yeah. So we said to really confirm that a low is in and that this is bullish, we need to see 5 waves up into the $1,900 region and 3 waves down. As soon as we have 5 waves up, we can formulate support for the 3-wave pullback, which would be at the same time a trade setup for higher. And yeah, we never saw the 5 waves up, and obviously it can always break down along the way, which is again exactly why, in my opinion, no aggressive trades should be done until we have that clarity. So because it saves us from trouble, okay? This process that we're going through saves us from so much trouble. Here, this 3-wave move up was a very similar situation. We had a similar situation here. Remember that? Yeah. And yeah, we so far, since the July top, we could not confirm anywhere a low in place because we're following a very, very clear process and we don't want to call a low too early because it would just be an opinion. It would just be unreliable. We need to have evidence. Okay, so very important. But yeah, could it still be the white count? Can it still turn around? Well, it would need a so-called stick save. It needs to turn around now and then it can save that white wave count. But I can tell you it has become quite a bit more unreliable or quite a bit less reliable than it was earlier today before it broke below 1659. Bitcoin also basically moved down too much. So it could still do it as a diagonal, but I can tell you that the 3rd wave here is basically too short. It has come in too short and the pullback is a bit too strong. So yeah, I don't like this idea anymore of, well, I shouldn't say I don't like the idea. It can still form 5 waves, but it would only be a diagonal. And if it, as soon as it breaks below the 1560 level here, the wave 2 low, I think we have a confirmed breakdown, then this move up is anyway invalidated. And we're back to our original plan, which is the yellow wave count anyway, yeah, which, as I explained to you, is still a very likely option. Even if we go up in 5 waves, it could just be a B wave top. Now, if it is topped, which is just a little bit too early to confirm it, yeah, but it's going that way. If it has topped, then this would still be a B wave top, yeah. But the subdivisions wouldn't be ABC, it would just be a WXY. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. And if it then breaks below 1560, we have the confirmed breakdown, basically. Yeah. So yeah, it just shows how fragile the entire market still is. Most altcoins already retraced the entire breakout. Some didn't even move to the upside. Okay, some didn't even move to the upside. So yeah, there wasn't really a need to change anything. Some micro resistances broke yesterday, but we are at the moment, as it seems, back to the original plan. I mean, we're even below the original breakout point of $1,700. So yeah, this is still a little bit now in a situation where this uptrend might be failing, but it cannot be confirmed yet. I guess tomorrow we know more, but it's certainly a time now or a space where I say, okay, it's best to just wait until we get a bit of clarity. I mean, this can still turn around from the 61.8 fib level. If it's really a diagonal, that support is at 1637, but really I don't want a wave 4 lower than the 61.8 fib level. But I'll keep you posted. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Links in the video description. And if you're interested in short-term market updates or Telegram and Discord chat room access, educational content, a weekly live stream, then check out our channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.